So I continue to receive inquiries from companies looking for a database to track their customers and their current manual process. So they're wading through all of the CRM products that are out there in the market, trying to find the right fit. Ultimately though, they'll probably choose the cheapest one, and then down the line find out that it's just not getting the job done, users are not adopting it, so back to square one. Doesn't it seem like companies have time and money to do something 5 times and not time and money to do it once the right way? Remember that the same processes and methods that got you to where you are today are not necessarily the same ones that would move you forward. It's time to optimize and think differently and reimagine the process that you have. Imagine that I have these glasses and I take them off and I put on these glasses. I now look different, but I'm not different. If what you're doing is picking a product to just track your current process, you're now just spending more money on your current process. You need a new process. You need a new way of working. It's time to transform with something like Salesforce that helps you grow and grows with you. Salesforce is a great tool that helps you do your job better. It doesn't just track the job you already have.